we were supposed to go to the store today. Hey, everybody. And can't go. We have my daughter's car, and the battery went dead. It seems like we're running into a lot of problems here. Our refrigerator won't work on propane. If we plug it up to a shore power, we're good. I mean, it works great. But when you're riding around and you want a boondock, that is not gonna happen. So I don't know what we're gonna do. Well, we got to get my daughter a battery first. I don't know when she wants to come and try to pick that up. And then the onboard generator is not working again. So one day at a time. I gotta fix that refrigerator first. We're not going anywhere without a refrigerator. It's just not gonna happen. I don't know. Stay tuned.
It's an awesome area.
Yeah. It is. I'm looking. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Uh-oh. Look at these people. Oh my goodness. Aww. What are people doing? Our country is getting so vocal these days. Let's go this way, baby. Come on. Let's follow. Come on.
Of course, Colorado is like the hiker's dream. It's like
I believe it.
when you see stuff like this, you don't have to go to the mountains to see the river. It's right downtown.
True. Yeah, it flows through the town. Right. I can see that.
And you can walk across right here.
Oh, yeah. I see people jogging over there.
Mm-hmm. It's actually called Confluence Park.
Uh-huh. Confluence. There's a trolley.
Yeah, that actually is still active. That takes people to the ballpark.
Oh,
yeah,
that's cool.
Well, I don't know if it's that one, but
right.
I haven't been on it yet.
This is cool.
But the train.
This is almost like in Texas. They have that river walk in San Antonio or something like that. You bring the boys over here?
Yeah. Wow, what's going on with this?
No water. They're not letting the water out. The water's low. Very low. Look, Sharina.
Guys, I thought you knew. Yeah, I've never seen it like this. So it's not so beautiful, Mom. It's
normally the water's rushing down that. Yeah.
Better view over here if you guys want to see a better view. Yeah.
Okay, honey. Next time maybe it'll be flowing a little. This is Confluence Park, reclaiming Denver's birthplace. Huh. Yep. This is Colorado for you. Yeah. I think the river right here. Which one? What river is that one that's not flowing?
Huh?
What river's not flowing?
The Platte River.
The Platte River is
Cherry Creek is
stale. Normally it's flowing, but it's not today.
We'll show it before and then after when we get home. Maybe when you come back it'll be.
All right. Come over here and get a ice cream.
So imagine Josiah jumping
off of that rock.
Yeah, I don't remember what year it was.
Oh my
He
gosh.
climbed all the way to the top, and then as he was jumping, you could see his feet going like this. So he's like this, going down.
Let's see what they have here.
Yes.
Oh yeah, huh?
Do you want a crown, Daddy? No?
Yeah, give me another one for my grandson. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. You guys have a nice evening.
I want to do the survey. Will do.
You got the receipt?
Yes,
Is it in there?
I think.
Is it in there?
I don't see the receipt.
Oh, we don't have a receipt.
Yeah, that way we can give you guys a good. Yeah, there's no receipt in here. Oh, funny.
Yeah, just go my BK experience.
Ah, right. You got it. All right.
So much.
You too. So this is our pit stop here in Thornton, Colorado. Staying at a friend's house. This is the driveway. This is the driveway we entered. And that's us. He has us plugged in to a 50 amp. So we're not suffering in the heat. It's nice. Was hoping to talk to him. I don't see him anywhere. Today's Saturday, so I guess nobody's working. Just want to take a little picture of what his place looks like at night. And it's really nice. They have it all fixed up real nice. He likes lights everywhere. These are the gates. They close at night. Somebody's still doing fireworks. Oh, me and Joey already took our walk this evening. Way down there. Really nice area. Looks really nice at night. He had to go inside and take care of something, so he'll be back in a minute. It's beautiful here, though. I might even try to find something out here. You never know.
Another key benefit of beet juice is its ability to help manage
Rain,
cholesterol
rain,
levels.
rain.
It's rich in antioxidants.
It's been raining
like
for days.
flavonoids and flavonoids, which work to
Wonder if we're
lower
gonna get
LDL,
flooded out.
bad cholesterol, while
Probably
boosting
not up here.
HDL, good cholesterol. By balancing cholesterol levels, beet juice reduces the risk of plaque buildup in your
Wow.
arteries. Incorporating beet juice into your
Oh,
daily
my
routine
goodness.
is a simple yet powerful way to support your body's natural defenses. It's not just a drink; it's a step.
It's like a river out there now. Hope we're not gonna float away.
Pregnancy is a time when nutrition becomes more
Oh, lordy, lordy,
and beet
lordy,
juice
lordy.
is a fantastic addition to a healthy diet
Oh,
for
wow.
expecting mothers. One of the standout nutrients in
Look at
beet
that
juice
water.
is folate, a B vitamin that plays
It's
a
coming
critical role
down
in
like
healthy development of the baby.
like a faucet.
Folate is essential for the formation of the womb tube.
Oh, okay. Look at all that. It's coming down like crazy. Oh my gosh. Let's do. Leaving Colorado or Denver, and we're heading to Colorado Springs, right, guys? Yeah, okay. Look at that.
This is where the Weekend concert was.
That's the Empower Field.
It was so stupid.
Denver. Denver.
Like, there was literally.
We are going to be running into some clouds. A little bit of cloud cover up here. Looks like a big storm, actually. Honey. Let's see. Founders Parkway. Castle Rock Parkway. Still got another hour. Elijah, I heard you. He's over there whistling, trying to distract me. And that's Elijah trying to distract me.
I hit a bunch of bugs, but I thought it was a spider web.
Oh, they're just bugs.
Yeah.
I know, they jumped on my leg. Kind of pissed me off. Are you trying to get yourself together? I'm videoing you guys.
Bro. Okay.
Oh, well, you know how that is. We're climbing. Let's go. Go what?
Like a giant turd.
A big turd. Woo! I shouldn't have said that. I want to take a picture of a close one, a close-up of it.
There's a little crack down the middle of it. You see it?
Is it? Oh, yeah, yeah, I see it. Looks like a butt.
Butt turd. Turd butt.
Elijah.
Hello. You recording me?
Of
Yeah, we're
course.
recording you.
That
We're gonna send
microphone.
this.
Wait. Out of the
gonna put a
street.
dumb
Out of the street.
filter on
Here comes somebody. Out of the street. The rock right here. I want you guys to stand right here, underneath it, Elijah. Right here where Sai is going. Hurry up.
I'm emotionally abused.
You don't have to just stand there. Come on.
You said come over here.
I know. Come on, let's go. Vamonos.
Grandma, do you have any merch?
No, not yet. In Wyoming, Montana.
I've seen videos,
Go ahead, honey. Watch the truck. Yes, there is. There's a truck coming. Oh. Over here on this side, honey.
Stream snipe. I got the right shoes for this.
I told you.
Oh my god. Hands are all dirty.
Look at all that.
Hello, I'm a stream sniper. See, I'm a stream
No.
sniper.
No.
I stream snipe. Hello.
Stop that, Elijah.
I'm a stream sniper. Stop wasting my location. Stop leaking me on my you.
Look at the trees. We're way up here.
View's amazing.
Isn't it? I hope it shows up really good. Ta-da. Come on, come back up. I know. Come down this hill. Hope we don't fall on our face. Oh, Elijah, he's calling me.
I hung up on him because he's doing it.
Elijah! Hello! He's way down there. You see anything? A lot of people jogging this early in the morning. How many did you see already? Up here in the Colorado Spring Mountains. What is this, Herman? Mount Herman or something? Well, we already did our hiking yesterday. Hey, we were on a mountain. We climbed up. You don't think it was a mountain?
It sure was.
Look at you. It was cool this morning. We had to get our coffee. And Joey had to come out and do his thing. Hi, Jojo. Hi, Jojo. So peaceful. I wonder how many mice are in this field. Who's trying to get in the back door in the RV? We've already seen snakes creeping up in there. Not in ours, but somebody else's. As we continue on our journey, these Colorado storms just seem to want to follow us. Good morning. Where are we? Look at these mountains right here next to us. Across the river. Let's go see how fast that water's running. Kids will be out here in a minute. Trying to see what they can see. Oh, yeah. I don't see no slithers. Goodness gracious. Look at how pretty that is. Oh. All around us. Good morning, honey. Morning. Kids are still asleep. Look at how pretty it is. And we have a neighbor. Hi. Huh. Ah, too cool, too cool. Look at that. Wow. Right in front of us. Look at that. The places that we stop at. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. Got your coffee? And he wants to go fishing. Yeah, right. Gotta get up to go fishing. We're gonna try our hand at fishing. You gonna try it, honey? Honey, you gonna try it?
Go out there.
You gonna go out there? Where are you coming from?
Found a big old one.
Oh my gosh. Are we? Yeah. Let's look at it for a minute.
Urged.
Come down, monkey.
Joey, come on.
Let's go. Come on.
Come on.
Ay, ay, ay. Chiquito.
Scared to go on the rocks?
Who, Joey?
Yeah, most likely. Cause
No, I don't want him out off of the rug. Where's he at?
he's behind.
No, he's gonna get stickers in his feet.
He's laying down.
We got those goat heads here.
I got like 4 of them in my
When he
shoes.
started running around when he started running around when we got here yesterday or last night, he started limping. I said, "Oh my goodness." I'm pretty sure I know what we got. What's back there?
Huh?
What's back there?
I'm just looking for some rocks to put on the sides of this one.
Oh, Joey. Oh my goodness, he just took off on me. Ooh. Oh gosh. Steep. Joey. Be nice. Be nice. Oh, watch out, honey. He's behind you. My grandson getting taught how to fly fish. How funny. Joey? Come over here. What are you doing? What are you doing? Be nice. Not bad, honey. Not a bite, huh? Oh, so many bugs here. Ooh. Let me see your hand.
Hurts.
You got a little scratch. That looks like a little scratch.
It'll be fine.
Yup.
I'm gonna die from this.
You?
No, he showed me. It's not that bad.
He went sliding into the water. I thought he was doing that, honey. It still needs more? Ah, that burns my eyes.
What does?
The gas. Good job, Saya. Does your dad make you do that too?
Nope.
Oh.
We just use a normal gas station.
Stop. Don't go no further. It's a drop off. Get over here. Get over here. Awesome. You don't see this every day in your backyard. Come on. I'm coming, I'm coming. I'm coming. I got you. I got you. What, you want me to run? He wants me to run. I'm not going to run. Nope. Joey, wait for mommy. Ah. You guys ready?
Huh?
You guys ready?
I don't know. Hello.
You guys ready? We're leaving this place, guys. I don't know when you'll be back. Get ready, Saya. Get behind Granddad. Get in the back. Hey.
In the back?
Yes, we got to start walking. And here we go as we continue down the road to our next destination. We've gotten away from the storms for a minute, but from my understanding, here in Colorado, you never can tell. Stay with us as we cross over Wolf Creek Pass, which is the Great Divide here in Colorado. And again, thanks to our followers that has stuck with us, and we hope to see you on our next video.